Samsung Galaxy phones are popular for photos, but what if your camera stops working? Don't worry, it's usually fixable. In this video, we'll show 9 ways to fix a camera failure on Samsung Galaxy devices. Part 1. Why cameras on Samsung Galaxy devices fail to work. OS update. Bugs or failed updates can break the camera. Low storage. Not enough space stops the app. Cache. Excess cache can clog the camera. Settings. Wrong settings affect performance. Part 2. Clear camera data to fix Samsung camera failed. Go to Settings and select Apps or Application Manager option. Under the Settings section, then all the applications on your device will be listed on the screen. Just scroll down to find out the camera option. Tap on Camera to open the camera info, and hit Clear Data to clean the camera app on your phone. Part 3. Fix Samsung camera failed by removing third-party app. Open Settings, Apps or Application Manager. Select the app info. Tap Uninstall to remove it. Part 4. Fix Samsung camera failed via wiping cache partition. Long press the Power button and click on Power Off to turn off your Samsung. Press and hold the Power, Home, and Volume Up buttons at the same time until your device vibrates. Release all the keys when the recovery mode appears and then use the volume up or down to select Wipe Cache Partition. Wait for the process to get over and hit on Reboot System now to restart your Samsung phone. Part 5. Reset camera settings to solve camera operation failure. Open up the camera app on your Samsung Galaxy. Click on the icon of the circular gear shape to enter the settings section. Find out Reset Settings option in it and tap on it to reset the camera settings. Part 6. Factory reset your phone to settle the problem. Navigate to Settings and select Backup and Reset from the list. Elect Factory Data Reset and then click on Reset Device. Tap on Erase Everything to wipe all the settings and files on your phone. Part 7. Fix Galaxy camera failed by updating software. Go to Settings, Software Update. Tap Download and install available updates and restart your phone. Part 8. Fix camera failed on Galaxy by cooling down the device. Remove any case to allow better airflow. Stop gaming, video recording, or other intensive tasks. Let the phone cool for 5-10 minutes before reopening the camera app. Part 9. Fix camera failed on Samsung by testing the camera. Open the Samsung Members app on your phone. Go to Support Phone Diagnostics. Run the camera test. If it shows an error, your camera module may be faulty.